How to draw a TV remote. We're going to start off by drawing a tilted U-like shape. Then at the top, we're going to connect the two sides with a straight line. Next, we're going to add some dimension to our TV remote. To do this, we're going to draw a J-like shape on the bottom side of the TV remote. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw another J-like shape the same way that we just drew the first one. For the next steps, we're going to be adding on the buttons to our TV remote. We're going to start with the power button on the top left-hand corner. On the top right corner, we're going to draw another circle that will be the source button, but we're going to draw the source symbol later. Next, we're going to draw a big circle in the middle of our remote. This will be the button that has the arrows on it. Inside the big circle we just drew, we're going to draw a smaller circle in the middle. Then we're going to add in our arrow shapes. We're going to draw an arrow going to the left and to the right, as well as going up and down. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our TV remote drawings are coming along great! Now we're going to go ahead and add the number buttons. To do this, we're going to draw 3 circles going across underneath the big circle that we just drew. Then under that row of circles, we're going to draw another set of 3 circles going across. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. And then we're going to draw one more row of 3 circles going across. We're going to draw one more circle for the buttons. This will be in the middle at the bottom of the remote. Now we're going to go ahead and add in the numbers on our buttons. The first row of 3 circles will be 1, 2, and 3. The second row will be 4, 5, and 6. The third row will be 7, 8, and 9. And the last circle at the bottom will be 0. After we're all done drawing the numbers, we're going to go to the right-hand corner and we're going to draw the source button. This is how to draw a TV remote. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then make sure to subscribe. Now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.